Kara Sara Neyi Pongal in a quick way.
I am taking 1 cup of rice and half cup of moong dal. This comes for 3 to 4 members easily. Wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Always take 1:2.5 cup of water measurement. For 1 rice, 2.5 cups of water. For half moong dal, you can add 1.5 cup of water. If you want more liquidity in pongal, you can add 3 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Okay, and even you can measure it like this. The water should come till your palm. If it does not come, add little more water so that a pongal will be nice. Keep the cooker directly. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. It gives good taste for pongal. Once the ghee is hot, we can add a handful of cashews and fry it till it turns to golden brown. This gives a good taste and aroma in pongal. This gives really hotel taste for you. This cashew is optional. When we receive guests at home, we can do this kind and shift it to another cup or plate. Keep aside, we'll add it later. Now we can add water slowly along with the rice and the moong dal already we have taken. If it soaks for 5 to 10 minutes, it will boil very nicely and quickly, so that gas will get saved. This is a small tip for you. So add everything in the cooker. Then add jeera. For this I have taken 3 full teaspoons of jeera and 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Instead of pepper, if you add pepper powder, everybody at home can eat easily. Even kids can eat. Then add the salt. Then stir it. At last add asafoetida powder. This gives real aroma. So let's take 1 inch of grated ginger and add it in the pongal mixture. These 3 ingredients are very important for pongal: jeera, ginger and pepper. Okay, stir it well and close the lid. And now don't put the weight. When the steam comes, turn it to low flame and open the lid slowly and stir it well. Now add a pinch of pepper to add more spice. Then close the lid and put the weight, and you have to cook this in very lower flame for 10 minutes. For this quantity, 10 minutes are enough. If you put more quantity of rice and dal, you can allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep it in low flame. 10 minutes are over. Pongal is ready. See, the rice is not stick to the bottom because we have added enough water, quantity of water. Now you can add coriander leaves, curry leaves to add more flavor, and the fried cashews. Mix well. Even if you mash it, not a problem, because pongal is that kind of dish. Add little ghee for more taste. Mix it well. Wow, colorful yummy pongal is ready. This can compete with Sharavana Bhavan Hotel, I suppose. You can have it with coconut chutney or coriander chutney. Anything goes for this. Yummy yummy pongal. I get wonderful aroma and add some ghee on it and serve people hot. This is a small tip, friends. If you want liquid pongal, add more water while cooking. This is the quick way of preparing Kara Sara Nei Pongal. Prepare it, give me the feedback. Thanks for watching, friends.